Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to try to make fake blood. I'm so sick of this fake blood. Fake blood. Yo guys, this is my first voiceover. So I'm going to put sugar and salt on the floor. Baby dance on the floor. And then I'm going to make some water, obviously, and I have to stir it rapidly, like no lumps must be there, if you can understand me. And then I'm going to put some red color. So I'm a stupid as bitch, so I forgot to buy green color.
Take the blood,
the green
take
food
the
color.
blood, take
So
the
this is the food
blood.
color. So I'm going to stir it again. As you can see, it is orange because I'm stupid. So and next I'm going to put pure red. I don't know what red, but I call it pure red. And then just pour it 2 cups. I mean two dakan. I don't know how to say that in English. And so then you stir it, and yeah, I forgot. I need to put more flour at maida. I don't know flour. Okay, so back in the kitchen, I'm going to stir it, and this is an oven. So stole this oven from my sister. So you put it in 150 degree, and then put it somewhere which you can think is fine, and then 10 minutes. Yeah. So when you put this, remember to stir and pour water on the plate. I don't know what do they call that. So just put it, and then after 10 minutes it's done. Yeah, and then you stir it again. So keep doing this process, same way I did before. This time I'm going to put 200 degree, and I'm going to dance for you guys like tick tick tick. Now as you can see, I can't wait to see my shit, and then it's done. Yeah, hallelujah. And so I fucked it up. I will just stir it, and I will pour some water on it, and then it's like the so keep it water for 5 minutes. Yeah, actually I wanted to put green color, but I didn't have any yeast. So here is the taste. Forgot to mention that this is only for video shoot, photo shoot, and selfie. So yeah, I put me there. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to stay at home and be safe. Bye bye. Ow.
This video is over now. Go find something else to watch, or just watch this video. I know we had a lot of fun, but you can't stay on this end screen forever. This video is over now. So why are you still watching this?
Do you not have anything else
I have lots of other videos
that you can watch?
and I'm sure you'll enjoy them just as much.
I hope.
Now I'm actually kinda concerned. Did something horrible happen to you? Did you leave the room and forget you were watching YouTube? When you come back, I bet you're gonna be pretty confused. I would be too.
Yeah.
Hey, are you subscribed to my channel? If you're not, you should totally subscribe to my channel.
Thanks.
And even if you're already subscribed to my channel, you could tell a couple friends to go subscribe to my channel, because this video is over now.